Good day, guys. Yeah, I'm going to cook my meal. It is going to be this one, this extra lean minced beef. Yeah. Yeah, all I need to do is put it here like that. Oh, maybe there is kind of nothing. And oh, let's put some salt and pepper. Where's the salt? Some salt here. More. Do I have black pepper? Yes, I do have black pepper.